Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video where I showed how to create this, and because I only can work with grays and blacks and white as an engraver, but if you're a printer, and this is terrible, maybe your artistic ability, and I'm just playing around with it while the other video is loading, I am going to, this is pretty neat, go to edit and clone this. And then I'm going to take the clone and put it right there. Then I can duplicate that one. And what I'm going to be able to do, I can hit the plus key on the keyboard again. I'll be able to see, whoop, don't want to do that. I'll be able to see what they're going to look like together. Let's do a few more. Do one more. And keeping in mind that that center one is our clone. Is our clone, main clone one. But if we take the interactive fill tool, there's all three of our colors. So if we start adding colors, look what it does to all of them. So you can kind of see what it's going to, I don't know why it won't stick. There we go. And then you could put like a yellow here, and I'm making it really look terrible, but you know, and you can add colors midpoint, but look what it's doing. It's changing them all. So you'll be able to see what the thing's going to look like before, you know, you continue making, and I'm making a mess of this, but it's kind of fun. I mean, you can completely change this color scheme. Let's do one more dark. Where's there a yellow, and replace it with that. Anyway, then when you take that away, look what you've got. And you know what it's going to look like. This one here is not snapped to very well. You have to grab that node and that 4-point. That would look pretty good on a t-shirt. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.